Welcome friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I teach you about the third part of the report. So let's start the discussion. Agriculture's contribution to GDP has steadily declined from 1951 to 2011. While achieving food sufficiency in production, India still accounts for quarter of the world's hungry people. Incidence of poverty is now pegged at nearly 30% as per the Global Nutrition Report 2016. India ranks is 114 out of 132 countries on under 5, stunning, and 120th out of 130 countries on under the 5, wasting, and 117th out of 185 countries on the prevalence of the anemia. Anemia continues to affect 50% of women, including pregnant women, and 60% of children in the country. While the agriculture in India has achieved gained self-sufficiency, but the production is resource intensive, cereal centric, and regionally based. The resource intensive way of Indian agriculture has raised serious sustainability issues too. Increasing stress on water resources of the country would definitely need a realignment and rethinking of policies. Desertification and land degradation also pose a major threat to agriculture in the country. The social aspects around the agriculture have also been witnessing changing trends. The increase of feminization of agriculture is mainly due to increasing the rural-urban migration by men, rise of women-headed household, and growth in the production of cash crops, which are labor-intensive in nature. Women perform significant tasks both in farm as well as in non-farm activities, and their participation in the sector increasing, but their work is treated as an extension of their household work. Household work and adds a dual burden of domestic responsibilities. India also needs to improve its management of agriculture practices on multiple fronts. Improvement in agriculture performance has weak linkage in improving nutrition through the multiple way, increasing income of farming households, and diversifying production of crops. So friends, in the next video I will give you some other information about the report of poverty in India. So this is the last paragraph. In the next video I will discuss it. Thank you.